welcome back to my channel. You don't know me, my name is Bree, Nwanze. So if you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on that like button, and if you've already subscribed before, thank you for coming back to watch one other of my video. I truly appreciate it. So let's get down to today's video. So, okay, today's video I'm showing you a quick tip on how I was able to get rid of black spots and acne on my hair. Like, if you can look at this picture here, yeah, that picture, you'll see that I had a lot of acne on my face and rashes and all that. I was so worried, like, how will I get them off? Like, we're actually trying, you know. We are trying. It's not easy, but hey, there's a simple way you can get rid of that just using an egg. Like, what? Who knew that a simple egg could get rid of all the dark spots on your face and get rid of acne and blackheads, get rid of everything you want from your face? So if you want to know how I was able to make a egg face mask to apply on my face, please enable to stay tuned till the end to know how I make it and how I apply it, so that you can do the same and give me your feedback on the comment section. So you get a clean bowl, make sure it's very dry, get your egg, then you crack it into the bowl, and just take note that we'll be making use of just the egg white and not the yolk. So you separate the yolk and then you mix it properly, and make sure you mix it very well till it gets foamy, and then hey, it's ready for use. So before we apply that mixture, make sure you wash your face like I just did and pat dry. Well, I would suggest you just make use of a handkerchief to pat dry, a clean one at that. So I'll just pat my. So after you pat dry, you take the mixture of the egg to apply on your face, and we're going to be making use of a tissue paper as well, so make sure you get that. And let's get started. I look like a monster. I'll be looking really pretty very soon. Oh, just hold on. Keep watching your time and wait till it's up to 15 minutes. So now that it's all dry, let's get this off. Notice how crispy it is. So now I'm going to wash up my face. Now that I've washed it off, I'm patting my face dry. Ain't you loving this? Like, look at it. Look at it. There. That's how we get to make our skin look flawless, people. With all these tips and tricks I just showed you, now tell me why your skin wouldn't glow. Why wouldn't you have that glow? You gotta glow, baby. You gotta glow. So when you try this out, don't forget to leave a comment down below by the comment section to share with us your experience from using this amazing tip. Okay, so I expect your skin to be glowing by the next time I'm back with more tips, skincare, lifestyle for your babies. And don't you forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, and share to your friends and family, people who will need this tip to glow, baby, glow. So see you right back on my next video. Thank you all.